This driver is about to cause his own accident on purpose, twice, and it's all caught on Dashcam. It starts with something small. The Dashcam car is driving safely near a bike lane, nothing unusual, nothing aggressive. But the driver behind him has other plans. He wants in front, and he's not going to ask nicely. He swerves, he pushes, he tries to force his way into the lane not once, but over and over, nearly causing a collision each time. Most drivers would back off after a near miss like that. This one doesn't. He keeps pushing and pushing until he finally muscles his way in front. And that's when things take a turn nobody expected. He slams on his brakes. On purpose. The Dashcam car taps him minor damage, barely anything. But watch his reaction. This wasn't an accident. This was exactly what he wanted. And if you thought that was it, he does it again. Harder brakes, bigger impact,
I've got a dash
more
cam.
damage this time, and it's clear now. This was never about safety. This was a setup from the very beginning. Now watch what he does next. He gets out of his car and tries to play the victim, acting shocked, acting wronged, as if none of this was his doing.
I'll show him the dash
But
cam
there's
of you
one
cutting
problem
us off
for him.
like that. Go ahead.
The Dashcam saw everything. This is exactly why every driver needs a Dashcam, because without it, this story would have ended very differently. If you don't have one yet, now's the time.
Yeah, let's go ahead. I'll download the clip.